Hello and welcome to another video. This is a special announcement. The Mars UAP Catalogue is live and ready for you to download and view. The Mars Disclosure team has been busy behind the scenes putting together this comprehensive catalogue of potential UAP photographed in the Martian sky. For those of you that don't know, apart from my YouTube channel and X account, I also have a blog, megalithic.mars.com. Here I post all the images I feature in my YouTube videos. We've added the catalogue to my blog, and you can access it by clicking catalogue in the main menu and then Martian UAP Catalogue. It's available as a downloadable PDF. All credit to Mark Grace for putting the list together. I created all the thumbnails. We have conventional versus deconvoluted thumbnails for comparison. And then I have to credit all the researchers. Obviously myself, I've contributed to this with my finds. Joe White from Art Alien TV, Scott Waring, Carrie Sivertson, who's new to this research field, and Brian Dobbs, our executive producer. So we do mention the criteria for your submissions that need to be met to be added to the catalogue. Avoid any camera artifacts, cosmic ray bursts, and image processing errors. We also have an example of some of those camera defects or image processing artifacts as well as cosmic ray bursts at the top section of this document. So we do refer to gimbal-like UAP in this document, and it's not specifically referring to the gimbal UAP, it's just a comparison to that object that was photographed and it was released for public consumption in the New York Times. So it's just the UAP type photographed and not the camera type. Right, so there are some of the known camera artifacts, image or possible image processing anomalies, cosmic ray bursts, and then we get to the list of the best examples of UAP photographed on Mars. So this is courtesy of the researchers Joe White, Scott Waring, Carrie Sivertson, myself, and if there's anyone I missed, do let us know, please. So it's quite a comprehensive list. We've included links to all the original NASA pages, so you can click through to those and study these photographs for yourselves. Do let us know if there's a better description that we can add for these existing UAP in this catalogue. So these are the most compelling that have been discovered on Mars. So we can probably speed this up a bit. You're welcome to pause at any point. Some mind-blowing stuff here. We've even included possible disc-shaped objects crashed on Mars as well as the Phobos incident. This catalogue is open source. It's a living document, so it will be updated from time to time with new discoveries. You're welcome to submit your discoveries to Mark Grace. His email address is listed at the top of the document. We look forward to receiving your submissions. As long as they meet the criteria, they will be added to the catalogue. I hope you enjoy studying this document. As always, thanks for watching.